Okay, so here's how we sign into Music First. So I have opened my Schoology course and I have gone into Band under Updates, and I have put the link for Music First in your updates. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy this link. Okay, and then I'm going to open a Google Chrome browser. It needs to be Google Chrome. For some reason, Safari or even Internet Explorer doesn't always work great. So I have put the link in here, and then it pops up and looks like this. So I have put in my 1000 number, no hashtag, and then my password is band, and it's all lowercase, so make sure the caps lock is not on. Okay, so I'm going to log in, and then I see that Concert Band is here. So I'm going to click on it just like I would in Schoology or something. So down here, getting started with Music First. So we go into here, it talks about communicating and stuff like that. So this is an assignment, right? My favorite kind of music. So here, I'm going to type my response. I put jazz because there are a lot of different styles within jazz music. So that's just a generic thing. I'm going to put submit response. Okay, submissions no longer accepted. All right, now I'm going to record my name. So here's the directions. Okay, I already recorded this once, that's why it says re-record. Okay, so it pops down here. You can change the tempo marking. So let's say something's too fast, you can change it here. Okay, and you're going to start recording. So start recording. Hello, my name is Kristen Seal, and I am in second period band. It shows it that I did it. I can listen to it. Hello, my name is Kristen Seal, and I am in second period band. Okay, then I press submit. And the recording is submitted. So if you want to make sure you have here, okay, again, you need to give permission to the microphone to go ahead and allow you to record. So it usually pops up as soon as you press in on an assignment. Okay, now the B flat scale in thirds. Okay, I'm going to press it. It pulls up like this. And now I open in Practice First. So once I open in Practice First, I can go over here to the right and pick my instrument. Flute 1 is typically higher. Flute 2 is lower. So I'm going to pick the lower one. And then it's going to give me 8 clicks, and then I will go ahead and start recording. Let's start over. Okay, here we go. So you can press play, and it'll play it for you how it's supposed to sound. Okay, then you can press record. 8 clicks in a minute. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I messed up on the end to kind of show you what it looks like. So it actually gave me a score of 100, which is really nice. Okay, what if I messed up a couple times? I can press retry. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in the beginning, you can see that I messed up a little bit. So I can click on this and it'll show me that I messed up right here. So if I want to do it again, I will press record again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I got 100. I liked it. I pressed the red submit button. Okay, now my assignment is submitted and I am ready to be done.